Hello, thank you for visiting my channel. In today's video, we are going to do something and make our computer to run faster. You see, sometimes your computer is running very slow, sometimes it's very sluggish, sometimes you're browsing the internet, it's very slow, sometimes you can't even save things on your computer. The reason most of the time could be because you have so many files stored on your computer. Usually, when you are visiting websites, there are files that the softwares on those websites, for example, store on your computer. So what happens is that it fills up the spaces that you have on your computer, which makes it to run slow or to save things. So what we are going to do now in just about 2 or 3 minutes is to show you how you can delete these files. In my previous video, I showed you how you could delete not temporary, how you could delete cookies, for example. If that did not help, I can promise you that what you need to do is to delete your temporary files. You will be surprised to know how much of those you have and the amount of spaces you are going to save. So let's go on and do that. So how do you delete your temporary files? What you can do, just go to this search bar and type there the percentage sign, temp, and then the percentage sign again, and hit enter. You see, what you can see now are temporary files that are all stored on my computer. Can you see the amount of files that I've got here? I haven't deleted these things in a very long time. So what we are going to do, just Control A and have it highlighted, and you can click delete. You see, so it's deleting. We are going to come back after it's deleted. As you can see, some of the files won't open because I have Google Chrome open. And when you have Google or any application open, so obviously you won't be able to delete any file that is related to a software that you have open. So what you need to do in that case is to delete or rather to close that application. As you can see, it's telling me about some softwares I have or some things I have open which are not which it will not be able to delete. So what I need to do now is that later on I'm going to close all those applications and come back and delete it again. But if you look at this, you will find that I have a lesser amount of files now. So that's just what you need to do. Once you do it, you should be able to free up some space on your computer. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Please subscribe to my channel and give me some thumbs up. Let me know if this helps.